everybody, and welcome to Let's Do Things. Today, we are going to do another teardown video. This time it is going to be a Smith & Wesson 45 shield. It is a ported model. I have the mag right here in my hand. It is unloaded as we speak. There's nothing in it. So, to give you a rundown, this does have the night sights on it. I love this firearm. It's just bad for shooting at nighttime. As you can tell, it's just kind of a cool little compact 45. It's a big bore compact. Love this thing. So this in here, it tears down a little bit different than, say, the Ruger that we done. It doesn't have a pin that you pull out. It's got a little slide down on it. There is a couple things I don't like about it, but it is still a really nice firearm. But let's start with the mag here. We know that there's nothing in the chamber. So with the mag being in it, it is locked in. There is a button just like the Ruger. It's right there. And you push that button and the mag pops out. So now we got the mag out. There is this right here, and when we pull this slide back, we need to push up on that, and it's going to go up inside of this groove right here, just like that. Now, this here is where it's different. There's another thing right here, right above the trigger. And we're going to double check, make sure there's nothing in it. It is empty. Because this is the thing I don't like about this firearm, is you pull this down like that. Then you let the slide go forward again. And it still won't go off. The only way to make it go off is you have to pull the trigger. So obviously, regardless whether you think it's loaded or not and you know it's unloaded, do not point it toward anything, obviously. So you hold the slide, you pull the trigger, and then it automatically releases. So you're lower. Now you have your slide, your pin right here, which is just basically the same thing, just bigger than a smaller firearm, and then your barrel. So that's the same exact setup. You push the pin forward a little bit, and you can pop it right out there. Boom, pin is out. This in here doesn't separate like the 380. I'll show you a little bit more on that. And then your barrel is now loose. You can just take it, push up and slide it forward a little bit, then you can pull it right out. Boom. Now there's your slide. There's those ports I was telling you about right there, so you can see clear through. That is a really cool feature because it just when you're firing it, it doesn't recoil as much. But the problem is it also shoots a big fireball. So here's your barrel right here. See? It's probably a dirty barrel. I don't clean them all the time. Now, to this pin here, see, this has two sides. This side is the barrel side. This side here is the side that goes right here on this. So it goes right there. Now, this in here, see, it'll still push through. Doink, doink, doink. If you put it in the other way, it don't push through. So, see, it has to be able to shove through. That way, when it fires, the slide comes back. This here, just for a millisecond, whatever, it will, come out the end, protrude out the end of the barrel. Boop, like that. So, now we got it all tore down. All of our parts. Let's put it back together. Slide. You hold it upside down. Take your barrel. Make sure it's going the right direction, obviously. Oh, fun fact, real quick, sorry. It's ported, like I said, right? Not only that, the barrel is ported also. See? So it doesn't have a solid run that allows fire to shoot out. Now, I don't know the specifics if it makes the bullet go slower or not. I have no clue. Couldn't tell you. Anyhow, here's this. Put that in, just like so. And then slide it back and see it falls into place. I'm going to do it this way here so you sort of see, because right here is where the square end of the barrel fits into this. So slide it forward, slide it back, boink, and now it fits right in. Here's where you need this here. Make sure you got it lining the right way. You put that end into there, and then you just got to push it forward just a little bit and snap it in. Boom. Now it's snapped in. Now you have to pull your slide when you put it on. You have these two grooves here, and you got a couple little grooves right on the back. Right there. Sorry, I was going the wrong way. And there is your grooves. So put that onto there, just like so. See, there it is. See, boop. Now we need to bring it all the way back. So what you gotta do is you gotta lock it back like that. Now it's locked back. And then this silly thing here flips up. Now it's done. You put the mag in, you can drop it, drop the slide, and it's ready to go. And there it is. That is how you tear down and put together an M&P 45 shield that is ported. There's no difference in tear down between the ported and unported. I do know that for a fact. Again, the only difference is these holes right here. Very fun pistol to shoot. Doesn't have much recoil. This thing's had, I don't know how many rounds are in through it, and it's never jammed on me. So, but anyhow, there you go. That is how you tear down and put together an 45 from M&P. I will see you next time.